Armenia, officially Republic of Armenia, country, Transcaucasia, Western Asia. Area, 11,484 square mi, 29,743 square kilometers. Population, 2022 Est. 2,964,000. Capital, Yerevan. Armenians constitute 9/10 of the population. There are also small numbers of Azerbaijanians, Kurds, Russians, and Ukrainians. Languages: Armenian official Russian. Religions: Christianity predominantly Armenian Apostolic, also Roman Catholic, also Islam. Currency: dram. Armenia is a mountainous country with an average elevation of 5,900 feet, 1,800 meters. The Lesser Caucasus ranges stretch across its northern portion, and Lake Sevan lies in the east-central part. Armenia has a dry and continental climate that changes dramatically with elevation. Though the country has become highly industrialized, as a result of the development of hydroelectric power during Soviet rule, and increasingly urbanized, agriculture is still important. Armenia is a unitary multi-party republic with a single legislative body. The head of state is the president, and the head of government is the prime minister. The Republic of Armenia is a successor state to a historical region in Caucasia. Historical Armenia's boundaries have varied considerably, but Old Armenia extended over what are now northeastern Turkey and the Republic of Armenia. The area was equivalent to the ancient kingdom of Urartu, which ruled c. 1270–850 BCE. It was later conquered by the Medes, c. Media, and Macedonia, and still later allied with Rome. Armenia adopted Christianity as its national religion c. 300 CE. For centuries the scene of strife among Arabs, Seljūqs, Byzantines, and Mongols, it came under the rule of the Ottoman Empire in 1514–16. Over the next centuries, as parts were ceded to other rulers, nationalism arose among the scattered Armenians. By the late 19th century it had caused widespread disruption. Fighting between Ottomans and Russians escalated when part of Armenia was ceded to Russia in 1828, and it continued through World War I, 1914–18, leading to genocide against Armenians, see Armenian Genocide. With the Ottoman defeat, the Russian portion became part of a Soviet republic in 1922. Armenia was established as a constituent republic of the U.S.S.R. in 1936. The U.S.S.R. began to dissolve in the late 1980s, and Armenia declared its independence in 1991. In the years that followed, it fought Azerbaijan for control of Nagorno-Karabakh, a conflict that continued despite attempts to settle it. Large numbers of Armenians left the country in the 1990s following an economic downturn, and many stayed away even after the economy began to improve.